Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the congested segment. Identify connected devices and any static IPs because you will restore those settings later. Once done, power cycle the modem first, wait 30 seconds, then power cycle the router and watch the LEDs stabilize. This clears transient NAT and ARP table issues. Make sure to log into the router admin interface at 192.168.x1 with credentials so you can inspect DHCP leases and traffic charts. Once you're in the admin interface, scan DHCP leases and active connections to spot the top talkers by MAC and IP. These are often the cause of a network busy state. Then implement CoS rules. Prioritize VoIP IP and business ports and throttle or set bandwidth caps on streaming, backups, or peer-to-peer traffic so the router stops queuing packets. Make sure to update router firmware before major changes. After applying CoS, perform staged restarts of heavy devices to let new limits take effect. Finish by monitoring traffic graphs and latency for 15 to 30 minutes to confirm the busy condition has eased and packet loss has dropped. This verifies your fixes. If problems persist, isolate segments by unplugging non-essential switches and run a packet capture on the suspect host to identify retransmissions or floods. Make sure to test with a wired connection to rule out Wi-Fi. If you still see CRC errors or collisions, replace faulty cables, switches, or the NIC. Hardware faults are a common final cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.